Okay, she's going all right now. But the audio won't be that great on this one.
I thought you weren't turning that on.
No, I turned it on, but the audio, the microphone, I didn't bring it.
Okay, you got your glasses.
I even wore my sunglasses even at night.
I know. No, I.
How's it look on here? Good?
Wild.
Ah, I see you put some duct tape on there.
Yeah, it's just getting good. It's getting rotten, you know. The rain getting in the spine.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep. Well, at least the audio on the motorcycle motor was picked up.
You know what sucks about riding? You gotta get your helmet on and
Yeah.
what a pain in the ass.
You gonna pick up your phone?
I gotta get some money.
All right. Well, at least my leg didn't cramp up this time.
Probably getting used, you know.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ain't picking this fucking thing up.
Yeah, I know.
Weighs too much.
Yeah, that too.
Oh god, all these fucking keys, I hate it.
Yeah. I know a lot of people up in New Hampshire don't even lock their doors.
No. Depends, you know.
Yeah.
Some places, I mean, I've gone out and left the house open. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
I would have gone for length of time. I'll lock it. And if they want to get in, Donnie, they're
Yeah.
gonna get in anyway.
True.
This.
Now you got the same carrier I got.
That's got a charge on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I get so fucking mad. What the hell? I had a $10 bill and I don't know what I did with it. Is it?
this up.
Alright, we're set. Those bags make you feel a little more stable back there?
Yeah, a little bit.
You seem to ride a little better. You know?
Yeah.
Hey, Taco.
Okay. We're off to see the wizard.
Yeah, we'll probably take a ride to Franklin.
Okay. That didn't sound too good.
Well, I had it in second gear and I shouldn't have.
Oh,
I figured I could scoot around there, but I couldn't.
yeah.
Let's just sit here for a second, let this traffic go by.
Oh, yeah.
I hate getting people up my ass.
Me too.
You know what I mean?
Yep. got her lights on.
Yeah, well, that's kind of stupid.
Yeah.
I didn't believe you, lady. Sorry.
Yep. Imagine if they had these on the fucking highway. Holy shit.
Be a good thing, huh?
Yeah, people would be going airborne.
I went airborne on this thing the other day.
I did it on mine too.
In Woonsocket. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
What a fucking rush.
I did it down by Tedeschi's when I'm going over Route 1A. I flew through it. I flew through that like crazy.
Supposed to be that way.
Really?
And it doesn't break.
Yeah. Hey. This video's gonna come out really good. At least I'll be able to watch it during the friggin' winter. Which would be pretty damn cool.
Can you edit it too?
Yeah, they got a program I have in my computer, but it's a,
on the bike with a can.
yeah, it's a bitch to figure it out.
What's that? Soda?
Yeah. It says alcohol content? That's weird.
Almost learned. Change it as the weather cools off or change.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, I know so.
Yeah, that's what I used to do too. Wipe it down before you stick it in.
Gotta handle somebody else's street in that friggin' pump.
Yeah.
Getting a little thirsty, huh?
Guess so.
A lot of trucking around, buddy.
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
Check the oil, will ya?
Yeah, right.
The windshield and all that shit. Check my battery, the radiator.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I noticed you were playing with that. That doesn't.
It's vibrating.
Oh, okay.
I can hear it. What's that noise? I'll try that. That's exactly what it was. Clear the handlebars. Turn the other way.
I know it. Son of a bitch.
Stand up on the peg.
Okay. Yeah, I think I will next time. That way I won't hurt my glutes.
That's all.
Yeah. Guarantee a cop will ask us if we're okay.
I don't care. I'm not doing nothing.
I know, because they did that with me and Jennifer on the highway.